UCMAS is a unique program which facilitates this learning in young children and help them use and develop their brain efficiently. With the 2-hand 6-finger technique, children use the abacus, stroke the beads using different formulas which triggers the different lobes of the brain. Gradually, children wean off the physical abacus and start doing mental calculation using the different brain functions. UCMAS is a very unique program which helps children train and develop their brain in a very systematic way, which improves the cognitive skills like focus, concentration, memory capabilities, and advanced skills like multitasking. With UCMAS, children become great performers. They are able to achieve any and everything. UCMAS gives and empowers children with great lifelong skills. It's the best gift which any parent can give to their child.